In this video, I will show you how to make your own Spider-Man's mask with moving eyes. This is inspired by Sean's crafts. First, we will start to join all the templates. I got these templates from a channel called Crazy Gulshan, so a big thanks to him. This is the first video in which I am adding my voice because this is a bit complicated. Now we will join these pieces. This makes the half part of the mask. While making the other half, make sure you flip the templates and cut the pieces. Later, we will stick the eye lenses on this piece. I have painted the eye lenses already and now we will stick it temporarily. I have cut out these moving pieces. Insert a wire through the holes. Make a hole in the mask in the center of the eye lenses and pass the wire through it. This is how it works. When we pull one thread, it shrinks, and when we pull another thread, it comes back to its position. A thread passes through the bottom piece and passes through tubes and then sticks to the top piece and comes out. Another thread attaches to the bottom piece and comes out through a tube. I will show it again. A thread is stuck on the bottom piece and then passes through one tube and the second tube and then comes and sticks to the top piece and comes out through a tube. The second thread attaches to the bottom piece and then comes out through a tube. So this is how it works. Do the same process on both the sides. I have added these pink color pieces so that the lenses don't pop out. Coat this mask with tissue paper and glue plus water. Now paint it red and add the detailed black lines. Looks great. I have added the lenses after painting it. I have added sponge pieces for extra comfort and rubber bands and thread to make it wearable. I have used white net cloth and plastic for the eyes. I have made rings using wire to make it easy to pull. This works like real Spider-Man's mask. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Share this video as much as you can.